Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to make a comparison video, how to make a welcome card, end card and 4-card start. First, we create and duplicate our cards. If you don't know how to make these cards, you can learn from my previous videos. I couldn't find such a video as I looked on YouTube. I hope this video will help you. I'm reducing the size of the cards as they have to fit inside the black screen. I divide all the cards into groups within themselves. After the grouping process is finished, we will add animation to all of them one by one from the animations section. Here you can give any effect you want in the entrance section. I choose the fly-in effect. We will come to the animation pane and make the necessary adjustments, but first we need to turn it into a video. Our first video is ready. I delete the effects on the cards we prepared before and take them to the side. I also get the video to black screen. Let's watch our video. Now we group the cards. Now we add animation. The video will stay out of the black screen, and the cards will replace the video. We choose the group with the cards. Right-click and select Start with Previous. So it will move at the same time as the video. Since this is very fast, let's set both to 10 seconds. It was better that way. You can set the duration as you wish. Now we will do the finishing part. I remove animation and ungroup cards I copied. I delete the middle two cards. On the last card, I ungroup them and leave only the background color and delete the others. I magnify the background. Let's turn this into a video first. I delete the old video and cards and leave only the ending card. Now we have come to the final stage. The article is not included in the group, I include it again in the group. We add animation to video and end card. We make the necessary arrangements. Now let's watch and check. As you can see, the end part is coming late. Now we'll set it up. We select the option Start with Previous. That's all. Now let's record and watch the video. I hope the video helped. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and express your thoughts in the comments section.